Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your Anthurium plant. First, let's cover the basics. Anthuriums love bright, indirect light, so place them near a window but out of direct sun. Keep your home's temperature stable, ideally between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. These tropical beauties also appreciate high humidity, around 80%, so consider a humidifier or pebble tray to keep them happy and vibrant. Next, let's talk about watering and potting. It is important to water your Anthurium thoroughly when the top 1/3 of the soil feels dry to the touch. Always ensure your pot has excellent drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. For the best results, use a specialized well-draining potting mix, like one designed for orchids or aroids, to provide the ideal environment for their roots. Now, let's discuss feeding and maintenance for your Anthurium. During its active growing season, typically spring and summer, fertilize your plant every 3 to 4 months. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, but make sure to dilute it to 1/4 of its recommended strength to avoid over-fertilization. Regularly prune any yellowing leaves or spent flowers by cutting them at their base. This encourages new, healthy growth and maintains the plant's appearance. Finally, here are some troubleshooting tips for your Anthurium. If you notice yellowing leaves, it often points to overwatering or a nutrient deficiency, so check your watering schedule and consider fertilizing. Brown leaf tips typically signal low humidity or underwatering, so increase humidity or adjust your watering frequency. Remember to repot your Anthurium every 2 to 3 years to refresh the potting mix and give its roots more room to grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.